So when it finishes production, the nozzle will go back to that position. But how do we reset the coordinates of that position? It's very important because we need to put a tray or a container under it to hold the waste resin. I'll show you how to update that coordinate. See, this is a stop position. For example, we move it to this position and save it. Now I'll go to here. I want to delete some of the coordinates. I want to delete the rest of the copied. Press this, clear. Okay, now I go back and I have a test run. You see, it goes back to the updated coordinates. Now let's change it back to where there is a container under it. And save.